Help? No problem, Amma. Small cooking, no? I will only do. Thank you. Amma is cleaning all the dishes. Amma, you need any help? No problem. Only 2-3 vessels, no? I will only clean. Thank you. Papa, Amma is only sweeping. Amma, huh? Do you need any help? Only hall I am cleaning. It's okay. I can manage this. Amma, at least allow me to cut the vegetables. I want to help you. No problem, Amma. Ee chinna vegetable cuttings. I will only manage, okay? Thank you.
A few moments later.
Amma, 24/7 you will sit and watch reels, huh? Amma, you have no other work? You can help Amma, no? But I asked you if you need help. Help? When did you ask? Amma, when you were cooking, sweeping. I only did all the cooking, the sweeping, the cleaning, everything I only have to do. You sit and watch 24/7 reels. Very good, very good. Amma, don't help Amma, don't help. Help అడిగితేనేమో తీసుకోదు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి చంపుకు తింటూ ఉంటుంది. What are you గుసగుస ఫైన్? Nothing.